Dear students, welcome to the class of Constructions 4. In this period, let us study about how to construct a tangent from an external point to a circle. So here is a problem. Draw the circle of 5 cm and construct a tangent from P, which is 10 cm from the center of the circle, and measure them. Verify using the formula. First I will show the how to verify. So here R is 5 cm, not R. D is 10 cm. So find the length of the tangents. So T is tangent, D is diameter, D is distance between the center and the point. So R is radius. So 10 squared minus 5 squared, 100 minus 25. So root 75, that is equal to 8.7 centimeter. So the tangent's length of the tangent should be 8.7 centimeter. Okay. Now let us see how to construct a tangent from an external point. See the video here. First, draw the circle of radius 5 centimeter with by using compass. Draw the circle like this. Okay, this is the circle. Now from this is the center is C. So now point out P, which is 10 centimeter away from the center. So that is P. So now join CP. Now join CP. Now P is the external point. P is the external point. Now draw the perpendicular bisector to the CP. So to draw the perpendicular bisector to the CP, take a compass and take more than half of the radius, and draw arcs like this below and above the straight lines CP. Similarly, cut those arcs from P with same radius. They are intersect each other. So join those points. So then that is the bisector of CP. So that bisector cuts at point say O. So now Y is the midpoint of CP. O is the midpoint of CP. Now from O, draw a circle such that which is passing through the C and P with radius of CP, OP. With radius of OP, now I am drawing a circle like this. So now this circle, this big circle, cuts the given circle at 2 points. Say that point is A and another point is B. Now join PA and PB. PA is the first tangent, PB is the another tangent. So PB, this is tangent 1, PA another tangent, say T2. So now measure this. If you measure, you will get approximately 8.7 centimeter. Okay. So this is the way of drawing tangents from an external point to the circle. Okay. So I think you are clear. Okay. So now let us move on to the next one. So now construction of tangents at the end points of the chords. Draw the circle of 5 centimeter radius and draw the chords of 6 centimeter length. Construct the pair of tangents at the ends. So now okay, let us see the video. So this is the video. First draw the circle. First draw the circle with 5 centimeter by using the compass. Now C is the center. Represent the center. Now consider any point on the circumference of a circle. Let it be A. Now from A, by using compass, take 6 centimeter radius and cut at B. So now that is B. So join AB. So similarly join radius AC and BC. Now draw the perpendiculars at A and B, because the perpendicular drawn at the end points of a radius is tangent, or tangent at the point of contact, the radius drawn is perpendicular to the tangent. So therefore draw a semicircle from A and with same radius cut from P. So from same radius cut, draw an arc from Q and R. From the point R, by using same radius, cut the above radius. So now you will get the intersection point. So join that intersection point through A. That point, intersection point. So join that intersect A and S and extend. So now that is the tangent T1. Okay. So now similarly draw a semicircle at B. Let it cut at BC at K. From the K, draw an arc. Draw an arc at L. Now with same radius, draw an arc above the semicircle and on the semicircle. On the semicircle, the point be M. Now from the M, cut the above arc. So now you will get the intersection. Let it be T. Now draw the line so that which passing through the B and N. So this is the tangent T1. Now T1 and T2 are the tangent which are constructed at the end points of the card. Okay. So now this is the method of construction of drawing the tangents from the end points of the cards. So I think you are clear. So problems for yourself. Here draw the circle of 6 centimeter and construct the pair of tangents from P, which is 12 centimeter away from the center. Second one is to draw the circle of diameter. Diameter is given here, remember, 8 centimeter, and construct the pair of tangents which is 8 centimeter from the circle. Now here you have to consider 8 centimeter from the circumference of the circle, or you can add, because diameter 8 centimeter, so radius is half of that one, that means 4 centimeter. So add 8 centimeter, then you will get 12 centimeter. You have to take 12 centimeter from the center of the circle, or you can take 8 centimeter from the circumference of a circle. Okay. So now draw the circle of 4 centimeter and draw the chord of 7 centimeter and construct the pair of tangents at the ends. So I think you are clear. So this is the fourth period of the construction. So we will meet on the next class. Thank you all.